Hi everyone, today's demo is about serverless technologies and I'm going to demonstrate services provided by Azure, the PostGres services. So if you are trying to collect some information from the web page and continuously monitor that information, this can be done totally in a cloud environment, and you can also automate that process. So the overall workflow looks like this. The main source code is located in a GitHub. You can initiate the scraping using the Scarpy, and it will collect the information data. Then collected data is going to be pushed to the Microsoft Azure PostGres. And later, with the use of the Azure Studio, you can do queries on these data. So this process is automated using the makefile. Here you can see the steps. So installing the dependencies, which is listed in a requirement txt. Running the Scarpy, which is going to crawl the exploit. I will show you later this file, and later make the connection with the Azure. And once the connection is done, connect to the Postgres services, and in the Postgres services, initiate this SQL file, which is located in a SQL file folders in a GitHub. So we will go step by step. Once we initiate the Scarpy project, is going to create a bunch of files with the configurations, and we are interested in this exploit one, as you saw in a makefile. So this is the Python code which says from which web page what to look. This is the look for the table, and in the tables check each row, and from each row collect the IP and the country, and later append this information in the SQL file, and this is the definition of the append. So we also saw the SQL file folder, and the file, this is the SQL file, which contains the instructions to delete and create a database and the data in a Postgres. So this is done in order to avoid the duplicates. Every time you initiate this process, is going to delete existing databases with the tables and create a new one. So this is the Azure, and I already created the environment for this project, the Scarpy bed IP database, and I established connection to that service. And as you see, we are able to see the table where the collected data is appended. And you can see here, this is the table which is going to be created with this with the help of this SQL file. Once we are able to connect to the table, we can check for the content of that table, and as you see here, we have the data from the web page. Here is the web page, and so this process can be initiated anytime just by pressing this button. That's all. Thank you very much.